How to pixelate your image in Pixlr Online Free Photo Editor completely for free in under 60 seconds. Once you have your image under Pixlr, click Filter, and then click Pixelate. If you're unable to do this, it's probably because your image is not locked, so click this to unlock it. Go under Filter, Pixelate, and if you move it to the right, notice that our image is pixelating. 90 sounds good. If you want to apply this to text, click Text, or on the left, T is a shortcut. Click and drag on your screen to add a text. Go to Filter, but notice how we cannot pixelate as it is not shaded. So click on your text icon, right click, and then click a rasterize layer. So now if we go to your filter, we can pixelate our text. Here's the before, and here's the after. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more free photo editing tutorials, so drop this video a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.